That's weird, huh? This one launched lower. Bybit launched lower. This must not be correct. Engate. Must be Bybit must be the correct one. The launch price. So where are we from the launch price? We're 137x above the launch price. 137x above the launch price. Okay. When did it launch? January 22. So the tail end of the last bull market when everything was dropping and it just sold off, obviously. Alright. What's Starly? Pretty much the same. Oh my god, look at that volume. Sell, 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 sell. Right. Volume is at the lows, that's good. It's good how this has pushed off from the point of control upwards. That was a good close on a weekly time frame. It sold back, but that was a good close. But you still haven't reversed bearish market structure. You see, what's the problem with this token? Let me mark these out and get rid of this. Value area high. Point of control. Value area low. Get rid of it now. What's that? Higher time frame. Look at the yearly chart. Up and then down, up and then down. Okay. This second candle is really large volume, forming a yearly level at the top. Sell, sell, sell. Sell, sell, sell. Oh, this is good. Little inverse hammer into these lows. It's a reversal candle forming. You'd want the next one to be a green, pushing all the way up. Oh, these are good. Look, like inverse hammer, and then followed by another kind of market buy. You really want this this candle, this one to push up now. You really want it to go up and close up here. Then when you have a full reversal pattern on this structure, because this could just SFP the high, and it could, the next one could still be a red down. I mean, the problem is well, no, actually it's not a problem, because your all-time low is down here in the launch price. You haven't, the lows have been defended, you know, so you're not making an all-time low. This is the all-time high up here. This is the all-time low, the launch price. As long as you don't come down underneath the all-time low, and then when you pass this all-time high, that's a higher high. And then you've confirmed bullish continuation, bullish market structure. You've got the reversal of this golden pocket to get through. How much higher is that? It's another 122%. Be a lot safer. If you want to buy this, it'll be a lot safer to kind of flip this value area high into support, because we could still be in a longer accumulation range right now. You can get above here, you can buy that to go up, because then you're buying into support. But obviously if you want a better price, then you would accumulate down here. That's what you just, obviously it's hard because people are worried that the price could continue to go down, but I don't know, that doesn't look like it wants to do that right now, because there's a value area lows here. That's the place to buy if you want to buy, or at least the point of control. Now, he said that there's a similar see it. Don't think I can see it. Let's see if I can find it. Similar to this harmonic here. Where would you put the A? It's totally different, huh? It's basically a copy of it. Be like that. Be like that. I don't even know what that is. Doesn't look right. I'm not good with harmonics. This doesn't look right to me. I can't see it. I'll have to tell him I can't see it. I can't see it on this one. What about on the other one? Starly. It's pretty much the same. Look, just sold off. It's kind of holding the lows. I mean, these are both good tokens, to be honest with you, because you're in the lows, you're holding the lows. Yeah, I mean, they could go up quite a lot. Look at this, went up to 12,000. What the hell? $12,000. Did someone really buy it for $12,000? Shit. Can't be. Look at that. That's a 7. I don't know what that is. That's like a million X. Did someone really buy it all the way up to there? That's madness. How much volume? Oh, it's not much volume. Look, 53. 53. Okay, that's fine. So the price might have gone up there, but there was really no volume. But there's still a lot, like 53 at $10,000. That's a lot, huh? 53 at $10,000. That's still a lot of money. This is more realistic. There's no volume here. Look, these are low volume candles. All of these candles are low volume, these highs. You can't cash out, that's the problem. You see, when you've got low volume, you can't cash out. And volumes come back in at these lows, look. This is a real volume, proper volume. I think this is bullshit. It's hard to know. I'd have to have it. I'm going to do more research on this token, this Starly token. I'm interested. All right. Envia. Oh, my cold is really killing me today. On a monthly time frame, you want to reverse this long red candle, and actually probably even this one here as well. I think you get like a monthly close above here. Honestly, I would really want a monthly close above this green candle here, like above there. You get a monthly close above there, you're back in this higher range. You could buy that, you know. You could buy that, and then you're safe because you're above support. You're not. This is what we're in now is an accumulation range at the lows. No idea how long this is going to take to come up. We have no idea. The volume is high though, that's good. Look at this, the volume is increased. Let me see what it is. Oh, this is on Bybit, that's good. I like Bybit. 22, 23 million. There's definitely accumulation going on here, and I would say that this is an accumulation range right now. I think anything underneath we're above the point of control. Really, that's where you want to buy. Just as many times as you can. Comes back, buy. Just keep on buying that point of control. That's I think that would be the strategy. But the bull market band, the bull market starts here roughly, and it ends. Where does it end? Ends here. This token hasn't run, so you'd expect some kind of run, you know, like a wave one. There's no reason why it can't get back to the all-time highs from where we are now. So there you're looking at a 31x, back to the all-time high. If it overshoots, if we've made our low here, somewhere here, if we've made our low, and you do some kind of fib extension, yeah, I mean you could be looking at $20 on this. That's the max. I wouldn't expect more than that. That would be extended. But conservatively all-time high, and then you've got targets of $4, $8, and then $20. Similar to TRVL, to be honest with you. Very similar. How much would that be from where we are now to the 1.618? Yeah, look at that. It's 419x. You compare that to TRVL. TRVL. We're looking at get to that higher range. If I bring the fib, is that the one though? Fib retracement, that's the one here. If I bring that up from where we are now, we're looking up to that top range. We're looking at 719, 700x basically. So this probably, in my mind, this is a higher return. And here we are just above the point of control. The volume, you are getting this token at discount because the launch price was 3 cents, but you know, we're in bearish market structure, whereas the other one, let me bring it up, let me compare them. This one doesn't have bearish market structure. This one is, you know, low, high, higher, low. It's kind of still bullish in that sense. So the minute it makes another high, it could pump, really pump. If you were to buy now, you're not buying at the point of control. You buy TRVL, you are buying at the point of control. TRVL is broken out of this 2-year trend line. You see that 2-year white line? 2-year trend line. Let me see if this has done the same thing. It's amazing to see the difference between these two tokens actually, because when I'm looking at this, look at all this volume that's come in since the beginning of this year. Significant increase in volume, so it's being accumulated, you know, and the launch price is being defended. And it didn't actually go all the way down to the launch price in that downward move, you know. So when you're comparing that with when you compare that with TRVL, there is a difference. Compare that. See? This wasn't defended, the launch price wasn't defended, and the volume has gradually started to increase, but here you can see a big shift in the volume increase. See that? It's a big shift. So volume going up, price going down, well, that's bearish. But now the price is going sideways and volume is still high. Now it's accumulation. It looks like it's accumulation. Oh my god. Sorry about that. I'm just sniffling like a crazy man. Yeah. From the high to the low, this pulled back 98%. This TRBL pulled back high to the low 98%. It's all 98% really. If it went down to, yeah, 4 cents, the low was 3 cents. That's your trend line, huh? Yeah, we've broken it. That broke. Back test. Is that a higher high? Kind of want to close higher, but still, it's been bought higher. Yeah, we've broken that trend line. The same trend line as TRVL we've broken on this token. Trading above the point of control. Back tested for support here. It was resistance until it broke above, and now it's back tested for support. This is looking good. This is looking really good actually. Look, you've broken that trend line. That was the main one. And get rid of it. Get above that trend line. Then that's not holding you back anymore. That's your 2-year trend line. Look, from April 22. Less than 2 years, like 1.5 almost. We broke it and we're coming back to test. It's kind of like TRVL. So maybe there is some kind of pattern, but I can't see it. See the other way as well. From the top. Oh gosh. Down to this layer. You've got like a natural resistance there as well. That little crop of basically above the GM. I like these candles. Break up. That's a market buy. These candles are good. Coming back to test. Back test. Into the golden pocket of this move up. Yeah, I mean, you could buy it now. You can start buying it now. Look at that. It's the right place to buy. You wouldn't really. There's no trades. It's just accumulation now. I think at the lows here, similar to TRVO actually. MV. Let me kind of search for it. MV token. Let me see what it says. Let me share this screen instead so you can see what I'm seeing. MV token. GensoKishi metaverse. What is the GensoKishi metaverse? GensoKishi Online is the newest play-to-earn version of Elemental Knights as a game. Oh my god. It's one of 2 native cryptocurrency play-to-earn PTE environment game. Create, buy and sell unique. Oh my god. It's an MMORPG. I can't imagine that this is gonna be valuable. Like, what the hell? It's some random game. I think the value in this is going to be the bull market, I guess, but why Kraken? What does it look like? Staking. They have 2 tokens. I hate that when they have 2 tokens. Rond and MV. Rond and MV in service. Is this Web3? I have no idea if this is Web3. Where's the tokenomics? Community. Contacts. Learn more. White paper. Fantasy goose is that is that ghost beyond reality? It won the 2012 Game of the Year gold in Taiwan, utilizing blockchain. We will create a new economy within the virtual world, Web3 times RPG times metaverse. Business model. That's what I want. God, I hate this. I hate this so much. How can you invest your life savings into this? It just doesn't make any sense. I guess the value will increase with the growth of the network. So the more and more users play, the more valuable it becomes. So it is a metaverse. It's like an RPG metaverse. But look, this is who you are. You can be one of these characters playing in this imaginary universe, and then somehow the token is going to go up in value. Land and Eurojuice. It's not really Web3, is it? Use your MV token to unlock UGC functions. How much MV token are you going to need for this? Buy, and then how much money are you going to spend? Buy materials to bring your ideas. I would literally never buy this, invest in this token for the long term. I just think like, it doesn't make any sense. What's the business model? $2 billion. The most important token of this game. Polygon. 1.6 have been locked up in the vesting contract. What's the vesting schedule? Voting, discounted price, rights, staking to earn ROND coin. Okay, you stake MV to earn another coin. Early entry, transaction fee for in-game trading, various land activities. Where's the vesting schedule? Circulating supply 9%, ecosystem fund, marketing, private sale, team advisors, private sale lockup period, release every 3 months. Advisors, IDO. Very niche. They got a lot of partnerships though. Roadmap. Let's see what the roadmap is. Website done. Done. Roadmap 2. Done. In progress. Partnership. Quarter. Roadmap 3. Land sales. Just, oh god, I don't know. I don't know what to say. Would you spend thousands of dollars on these? It's just speculation. Is this going to be the next big thing? Is the whole world going to be playing this? Again, it's like very niche, isn't it? It's very niche. Elemental Knights. English and Japanese. Maybe in the Asian culture and society it's going to be popular. I can't get into it. I don't understand it. It's basically an RPG game where they utilize cryptocurrency as a way to power the economy. So obviously they're trying to raise a lot more capital through the crypto markets to achieve their goals, but other than that, I think it's very speculative, super speculative. And then when I look at the charts, it's all about the charts. Well, look, there is accumulation going on. There's a 2-year trend line that has been broken. The lows of the launch price have been defended. So yeah, you could, I think you would trade this back up to the all-time high, and that would be it. That would be your, so 30x. I wouldn't be crazy bullish on this, simply because I can't see the whole world playing that game. You have to imagine who's going to use that game, who's going to play that game, who's going to invest in that game, what kind of people. Is it a long hold? Are people going to hold their tokens at the end of the bull market? Or is it just going to be like a push the price up and then dump? In terms of volume, I like that most of the volume is at the lows. I honestly prefer the volume profile on TRVL. When you look at TRVL, look at the volume profile. When I look at this chart, I just see look at this. See that? I like that. I like that there's been buying over a large period of time, over a large range of price. See up there, 6 cents, 4 cents, 3 cents, 2.5 cents, all the way down. And then when you compare that to this, it's kind of just like, it's very, yeah, it's not the same. You've got this large sell-off, so you'd expect it to come back up quite easily up into this range here and come back up. It went down fast, it'll come back up fast. Yeah, they really have to hype this game up actually to make it pump. I prefer this chart. It's almost like a work of art. What's the current price action? Well, so far in this week we've